this video today. So today I've done a hair tutorial of different hairstyles that you can wear with your Irresistible Me hair extensions. All links to my hair extensions will be down below. Since the last video when I did my unboxing, I have dyed them. So I have sort of done the roots darker and sort of the blonde a little bit darker, just so it matches my hair a bit better. And where my sort of balayage is growing out, that's why I've had to sort of darken the roots slightly on the hair extensions. So if you want to know how I achieved some nice, quick, simple and easy hairstyles, then please keep watching. Okay, so for the bun you are going to need the signature weft piece. This is the 4-clip thick piece that you can buy from Irresistible Me separately. You're also going to need a comb, little fine tooth comb, some bobby pins and a hair bobble as well. So to start the look, what you're going to do is you are going to take your hair from just sort of the tops of your ears, like here. So just take a separate part like this. And just pin that section up there. You're then going to take your comb and back comb the roots of the section that is left hanging down. And also give that a little bit of a spray with the hairspray. This is the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Just ever so gently spray that on the roots of the back combed sections you've just done. I just find it grips just that little bit easier in your hair when you're putting the extensions in, sort of where the clips are going to be. Now what you're going to do with the extension piece is you're going to place this upside down. So instead of putting it in your hair this way, you're going to be placing it up that way. So I'll turn around and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So you're going to try and get it as close to the root as possible on that back combed area that you've just done. So it is hanging obviously upside down at the moment and looks probably pretty ridiculous, but there is a method to my madness now. So now what you're going to do is you're going to let this piece down here so it's all sort of matched in together. You're then going to take a brush and you're going to flip your head upside down. Now I'm not sure how much space the camera's got for me to show you, but anyway, flip upside down and brush everything forward. And then what you want to do is start bringing it all into a high pony at the top of your head. Now make sure you are smoothing out the areas where the clips are at the back of your head. I will explain in a second as to why I've put them upside down, and you'll see as well. Once you're satisfied that everything is all flat and ready to go up, you're going to use your hair bobble and tie it in a pony at the top of your head. So there you have the look as it stands now. Now if you really wanted to, you could sort of get away with doing it like this and having a high ponytail with it, which I quite like, but the only thing is where my hair is quite thick, you can sort of still see the ends of my natural hair, so i.e. here, and the extensions, you can kind of tell sort of the difference still. So what you're going to do now is take your brush again and just ever so carefully just sort of back comb the hair that is here. Whether it be the extensions or your natural hair, just back comb it, just ever so gently, don't need to go too crazy with it. And now you kind of look like a lovely pineapple. And this is where you're going to want to take your bobby pins and you're going to get your hair, twist it round like you would with a normal bun and bring it around on the top of your head like so. And now you're just going to roughly take the bobby pins and just roughly pin your hair in anywhere on the top of your head. Just making it is all nice and secure. Now you can make this look as messy or as neat as you want. You can pull it out to be as thick as you want or as sort of thin as you want. What I do now is because I've got short hair, I get these straggly bits at the back that fall down. So again, I'm just going to take one of the bobby pins to pin those sections up. So once those pins are all in place, you're going to take your hairspray again, just give it a good spray at the back and a good spray around here, and then just sort of a little spray on the top of your bun. So there you have your finished simple bun. It's so easy to do, like seriously easy, and obviously not doing it in front of camera, it literally takes about 10 minutes maximum, so it's so easy to do in the mornings while you're getting ready for work as well. And like I said, you can make it as messy or as neat as you want. You can have however many little bits out or falling down, it's completely up to you, but I quite like a neat bun on the top of my head. So just to go through why I put the extensions upside down is at the back of my head, you can see it's nice and flat. You don't sort of get those kinks, or not as prominent as you would if the extensions were put the other way down. Obviously it would be lifting up and pulling on the other sides of your hair, so you can't really see, and they blend, the clips blend in really nicely, so it doesn't look like you've got a hairpiece in. So that's exactly why I put it upside down. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I just find it so much easier when trying to do an updo with my hair extensions. You can also jazz this look up by using a scarf, a hair scarf, or sort of like a scrunchie or something. So I'm just going to show you what else you can do with this bun using some accessories. For the next look, you're going to want to put all of your hair extensions in your head. If you don't know how to apply hair extensions, I will link down below my last tutorial when I did my unboxing of the extensions. So you can go back, have a look, because I do a tutorial as to how you put the extensions in your hair. So pause now, go and check that video out, and then come back and check back in with me once you've put all your extensions in your hair. Right, so now all your extensions are all in your hair and they're all secure. What you're going to do is you're going to curl all of the hair. Now, I tend to like doing this with my hair straighteners. You know how to do it, I'll quickly show you how to do it with a curl. But yeah, so however you want to curl your hair, this is what you're going to do for the next step. So I'm just going to take a partition and start curling. So literally, you just take your extensions around the hair and twist round all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to make these sort of quite loose, but like I said, you can make them as messy or as tight as you want. So I'm just going to go off and finish off the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back to you in a second. Okay, so here is my hair all curled up and exactly how I want it to be. Now, this in itself is kind of a look on its own, just giving your extensions in your hair just a bit of a curl, just completely changes the look and changes the style. So I guess you could kind of class this as a hairstyle. So next you're going to want to take the headscarf again, as you saw with the bun we've just done, and you're going to pop this underneath your hair at the back. And you can either bring it round to the forward like this, bring it round to the forward, bring it round to the front. And tie it in a little bow, and again you've got a nice, quick, cute, easy hairstyle, just like that, with just a little scarf. Or you can also do the same idea but have some pieces through the scarf at the bottom. So I'm just going to bring these pieces here at the front through. So yet again, another quick and easy hairstyle, just using the hair scarf again. Okay, so now where I've put the extension pieces up the top here, I'm just going to take these sections out here. I think it's literally just the two and then the two little pieces here. So I've just taken the sections out here, so I've just had the two clip here and the one clip either side on here. So again, just another quick easy hairstyle, like this whole video is quick and easy. I'm just going to take my hair back like this and just bring two of the sections forward here. And just tie this piece at the back, just ever so loosely. And there you have, again, a nice, easy look. Right, so next I want to do a sort of half up, half down look. So I've taken out the pieces here, and I've also taken out the signature weft which I had at the back at the top here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the sort of top bit here, and then pop the hairpiece back in just to beefen out the hair at the back here. Okay, so here I've literally just done the top ponytail bit here, so now I need to pop the signature weft piece back in, because as you can see it's looking a bit light with my natural hair compared to the actual hair extensions. So there you have the simple half up, half down look. I still feel like I need sort of a few more hair extensions around here, but what I can just do is pop in the pieces that I took out from the sides anyway. So there you have it all blended in just with the little ponytail at the top there. And you can also turn this into a little bun, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop one of the hair pieces around the ponytail itself and then wrap it around itself for the little bun, so we've got a little bit more volume in the bun. So as we did with the original bun, when we put the extensions in upside down, it is exactly what I'm going to do again with these ones. So just underneath where I've got the hair bubble at the back, I'm just going to pop these in upside down. And now you're just going to gently back comb that section. And bring it up. And round again. Exactly the same as what we did with the bun in the first shot. And take clips. Just make sure you pin around at the back where you've put the extension piece. And again, you can make this as messy or as neat as you like. But there you have the bun on the top with the curls hanging down. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of those hairstyles. Please comment down below which your favourite look was. Obviously they were just quick, easy styles to do. If you really want to go out and put 110% effort in, then obviously it might look a bit neater than some of my styles, but that is just a basic idea of how I would style my hair anyway. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I will link all of this in the description below. I'll link to the hair extensions and the Irresistible Me website. Like I said, again, I have dyed my hair extensions since I received them. Very quick, very easy to do. I didn't film it myself, but there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube. Thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, head over to Instagram and follow me over on there.